You're so cute, cute boy. Hey.
I think that might be bear. I guess it's for got lighter.
Right? I was like, is that? Yeah, you're the bear. And then that white guy is the gizmo.
Yeah.
Oh, he likes it. You are so cute. Okay. Bye.
That sounds more creepy than inspirational.
Yeah.
I'm
not sure what that even means.
Yeah, I have another one.
Bear.
Oh.
He knows. Bear. Bear. Hey. Yay. Cheese.
What are you judging me?
Oh, so cute.
Artistic eye. I couldn't figure out what that word was.
Sorry. It was sloppy.
No, you're good.
I know the location. I just need to figure out how to get there. I think.
You just have the directions.
Oh, go, 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 go.
2, 1.
Wait. Over there. 2. Oh. No, it's 2. That was hard.
In this game, stand on the color zone given to you. Find your end zone before your time runs out. You in 6, 5, 4.
Okay.
Red in 6, 5, 4. Blue in 6, 5. Blue 6, 5. Blue 6, 5. Blue 6, 5. Red 6, 5.
God.
Step on the color.
Yay!
this one. And it's on the way home too, so.
Don't fully. Oh, we're not being nice.
What?
Why are we being nice?
Oh, I thought you were being sarcastic. Thanks.
Kizzy! Or Bear. Or one of you. Or both of you. I love you both. You're not barking. I love you.
Hello. Do you remember me? Do you remember me? It's like a bubble.
And it won't fly away. That's what they say.
They won't fly away.
Like exposure gonna be
Look at me. Bear. Bear. Oh my god, you're so close. Okay, thanks. Okay, can you stop?
Can you stop? You're doing too much. Hey, boo. Love you. Love you too.
Why was my notifications on TikTok?
Barry. Barry.
Don't go.
Do one picture. Do my picture. Do my picture.
Do like 0.5 or something?
I don't have that. Ah.
Or step back and put it like up.
And then these are the peoples.
Zoom in on the face. Zoom in on the face.
Aww. Hello.
He's like, what are you doing?
I'm petting, bro.
Petting involves touching.
Wait, Sarah, do you want a dog when you're like... Oh, I don't know where we're starting
I
already.
really want to see if what happens if I don't cycle. Oh, I can put a display anything. Show song titles. Display time.
No, don't lick.